Morning, my name is Jason Alonso. I am from Ibagué, Lima. Positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. Positive effects have communities run small teams, have the accounts of education, have ecological globe. Negative effects every month polluting, water polluting and cements, deforest of forests. Strategies to mitigate environment impact. Strategies, energy summits. Um, to not carbon in the stacks. Recycle, recycle. Consume water responsibility. To not wet garbage in the stacks. Um, think before buying. The fruit of Earth planet. The food, the food of of Earth planet. In the future, with the help of technology, the planet go what change because that's um, we are of tank energy that does not consume oil gas in guerra products energy with effective the environs als and and as we have seen they are mm, there is a lot potent technology what can destroy earth planet. Thank you.